Let's begin with how much protein a person really needs. We have something called as the recommended daily allowance, or the RDA, which is set about 0.36 grams per pound, which if you want to convert it, it's 0.8 grams per kg for body weight. Now you must be wondering that this is a very low amount, and that is only because the RDA is looking to provide people with this nutrition to avoid any deficiencies, and those numbers are super low when it comes to stimulating any recovery or growth. And when you look around in the athletic and the performance industry, that recommendation is almost doubled, so a person can have anywhere between 1 to 1.6 grams per kg. Now, most people would consume their protein shakes after a workout because they want to maximize the potential of this anabolic window, which most people believe is only for 30 minutes post-exercise. 30 minutes post-exercise is when the protein can dive into the muscle cells and is also called as the window of opportunity. But according to new research, now scientists have shown us that that window is not limited for 30 minutes post-workout, but is extended for a few hours later. And what is surprising is that it is the total amount of protein that is consumed in the day which matters. So rather than having that protein shake right after a workout. So my advice to you would be, don't go for that protein shake right after you finish your workout, but have your protein about an hour later. You'll have some increases in testosterone too, trust me. Another question that pops up is if someone who has a protein shake before a workout is better than someone has a protein shake after a workout. And some studies have looked into this and found that for mostly strength and size, it really doesn't matter if you have it before or after, as long as you have some kind of easily digestible protein and a pool of amino acids in your blood around the workout. So what I would recommend is to focus on your total overall daily protein consumption and meeting your target. And if you want to add a shake 1 or 2 times a day, go for it. But do it only to optimize muscle protein synthesis, which comes from the total amount of protein consumed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more, log on to my website www.shiftwithcj.com or go to our YouTube channel. We've got tons of videos. Enjoy and see you in the next video.